The expression 6 times x to the fourth power positive 31 x square positive 35 can be written as 3x square positive a times 2x square positive b, where a and b are positive integers, or as 3x square positive c times 2x square positive d, where c and d are positive non-integers. What is the value of a positive c? Okay, now let's get the factor form of this expression. Let me take that expression as it is. That is 6 times x to the fourth power positive 31 x square positive 35. 6 times this x to the fourth power can be written as x square the whole square positive 31 x square positive 35. Now I am going to assign a new variable for x square, that is let y equals to x square. Now we can plug in y for x square over here and here. Then this expression becomes 6y square positive 31y positive 35. Now we have a quadratic expression in terms of y. Let's get the factor form of this quadratic expression. For that, we have to multiply the constant term positive 35 by the coefficient of y square 6. 6 times 35 is 210. That is positive 210. Let me write over here positive 210. Now we have to get two factors over here, so that the product of two factors equals to positive 210. The addition of the two factors must be equal to the coefficient of y, which is positive 31. I think positive 10 and positive 21 will work. When I multiply positive 10 and positive 21, I am getting positive 210. When we add them, we get positive 31, which is a coefficient of y. The same thing we can take over here, that is positive 10, positive 21. Okay, now we have to divide both the factors by the coefficient of y square, that is 6. Okay, let me do it here. And the same thing we have to do over here, divided by 6, divided by 6. Okay, here the greatest common divisor of 10 and 6 is 2. That is 2 goes into 10 5 times and 2 goes into 6 3 times. And here 3 is the greatest common divisor for 21 and 6. 3 goes into 21 7 times, 3 goes into 6 2 times. Then we get positive 5 over 3 here and positive 7 over 2 here. Let me take y here and y here, because we have a quadratic expression in the variable y. Now we can move this denominator 3 as a coefficient of y. Then we get 3y positive 5 as one of the factors of this expression. And we can move this denominator 2 as a coefficient of y. Then we get the other factor, that is 2y positive 7. Now let's come to this part. Here positive 10 over, we can write this 6 as 2 times 3. Positive 21 over, this 6 also can be written as 2 times 3. We can take y over here, y over here. Now I am going to move this 2 as a coefficient of y. Then we get the first factor, that is 2y positive 10 over 3. Now let's move this 3 as a coefficient of y. Then we get the second factor. Then we get 3y positive 21 over 2. I got the factors of this quadratic expression in two ways. The first way is this one, that is 3y positive 5 times 2y positive 7. And the second way is this one. Let me take this one first, that is 3y positive 21 over 2 times the second factor is this one, that is 2y positive 10 over 3. Actually, y was taken by us. It has to be replaced by the original stuff, x square. So let me plug in x square for y over here, 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 and here. Then we get 3x square positive 5 times 2x square positive 7. The same thing, 3x square positive 21 over 2 times 3x square, sorry, my bad, 2x square positive 10 over 3. Now, this factor form is exactly in this form, because here a and b are positive integers. At the place of a and b, we have 5 and 7. Both of them are positive integers. And this factor form is in this form, because here c and d are positive non-integers. At the place of c and d, we have 21 over 2 and 10 over 3. Both of them are positive non-integers. And our aim is to get the value of a positive c. So first we have to get the value of a. To get the value of a, let's compare this 3x square positive a and this 3x square positive 5. At the place of a, we have 5. So we got the value of a, that is a equals to 5. And to get the value of c, let's compare this one and this one, that is 3x square positive c and 3x square positive 21 over 2. At the place of c, we have 21 over 2. c equals to 21 over 2. Now let me add a and c, that is 5 positive 21 over 2. Okay, now to add this integer and fraction, we have to multiply the denominator of the fraction by the integer. 5 times 2 is 10. Once you are done with this multiplication, we have to take this 2 as a common denominator. This 2 times 5 is 10. 10 positive 21 over 2, which is equal to 31 over 2. Or 31 over 2 can be written in decimal form, that is 15.5. Therefore, the value of A positive C is 31 over 2 or 15.5.